Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Midhat and I'm back to answer one of the most pressing questions many of you guys have been asking about. So do you really need a VPN with port forwarding to download torrents fast? Well, I know torrenting can get a bit confusing. You want to download your favorite shows or games quickly and securely. But there's so much technicalities around VPNs and port forwarding which can make things confusing. But don't worry, I am here to break it down for you in simple terms. So let's start with the basic. What's the deal with port forwarding anyway? Well, imagine that your home Wi-Fi is a massive building and every device like your computer, your laptop, your smart toaster is in a different room. So port forwarding is like opening a door in this building, so when your computer is trying to connect with others on the internet, it's easy for them to find and connect to the right room. Now the question arises, how does this help with torrenting? Well, torrenting relies on a peer-to-peer network, meaning you are connecting directly with others to swap bits and pieces of the file. When you have got that door open, that is port forwarding, it's much easier for others to connect to you, which generally leads to faster download speeds. Okay, but here's a real question. Do you really need a VPN with port forwarding to download torrents quickly? Well, the short answer is not necessarily. It can help, but it's not a deal breaker. Let me explain. When you use a VPN without port forwarding, you are still connecting to peers and downloading files, just without opening that specific door. You are more like a tenant in that massive building with a peephole. You can still see what's going on and you can still interact, but not everyone can easily knock on your door. This means that you might not get as many incoming connections, which means slightly slower download speeds. However, and this is super important, using a VPN without port forwarding still provides security and privacy, which is very critical when torrenting. Your IP address stays hidden, your data stays encrypted, and that's really what keeps you safe from prying eyes, whether those eyes belong to your ISP or anyone snooping around online. A VPN with port forwarding can boost speed by connecting to more peers, but not all VPNs offer it. If your speeds are fine without it, you likely don't need it. Keep in mind, port forwarding can pose risks, so always use a trusted VPN with a strong security. If speed is your number one priority and your VPN offers port forwarding, then sure, go ahead, it's worth enabling. But if privacy and keeping things simple are more of your focus, then you don't need to stress about it. Just a good VPN without port forwarding can still get the job done and keep you secure. Alright folks, that's the scoop. So port forwarding is not a must-have for torrenting, but it can be a nice to have. The most important thing is that you stay safe and secure while torrenting. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And also drop down a comment below if you have any questions related to torrenting, VPNs, and anything tech related. I love hearing from you guys. And as always, stay safe out there. Happy torrenting. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.